Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the graphics settings within the Guilty Gear Strive game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Guilty Gear Strive game within your device. And once you open it up, just tap on the Enter button to go into the main menu. Now once you are inside your main menu, you can tap on the Enter button to access the game settings. Now in order to change your graphics settings, use the WASD keys to hover down to display settings. Then tap on the U button to choose this. And now you can change your brightness, resolution, as well as your display qualities. Change your resolution from the resolution section and then choose from full screen or window mode from the window mode section. You also have the option to enable VSync. And now within the image quality settings, you can choose from best to the lowest setting. If you have more VRAM available within your GPU, then you can choose the best option. And if you notice any performance issues, then you can try decreasing the image quality setting presets. You also have the option to change individual settings by yourself. However, this is not recommended unless you know exactly what you are doing. Once you are done setting up, tap on close, and now you can go back and start your game, and you will now be able to enjoy your game with your chosen graphic settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your graphic settings within the Guilty Gear Strive game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.